Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello or welcome to my channel. So this week's nail tutorial is going to be a nice pink and purple, my favorite purple, nail tutorial. Simple and easy for the summertime. If you're all up for that, continue watching, but before you continue watching, below and subscribe to my channel please, and thank you, and give this video a like if you like purple or pink, or if you like colors in general. Just go down below and like this video, share this video, and thanks so much for watching. So let's get started with this video. Okay guys, apply 2 coats of the nail polish that I show you to each nail. First, I'm going to deal with the 2 middle nails, which is I'm just going to pack on some glitter. So for the pinky, index finger, and thumb, we're just going to draw some purple horizontal lines and add some diamonds, some Caviar nail beads to jeff it all up. Just follow along, and just an easy nail tutorial.
This life is a battle, would not occur.
Now we're going to place Caviar beads around the black bead.
I'm alright in hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight. It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I escape from this debris, carefree.
Now all the nails are done and looking great, so all is left to do is top coat, and then we'll all be done with this. you think about this nail tutorial. I thought it was pretty simple and easy, but really cool, and gives off those vibes of summer vibes. And so I love purple, so any nail tutorial with purple is going to be fine with me. So, thanks so much for watching. Go down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video, share this video for everyone to see this beautiful nail tutorial this week that I did. And yes, so thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.